What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jules, and in today's video I am going to be doing some loud revs and flybys in my Honda Civic Type R with the new setup with the Catless downpipe and valved catback exhaust system. Before we get into that, I definitely want to say thank you everyone that purchased a t-shirt from the merch drop from the last video. I want to say thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm actually wearing a hoodie right now, and you got the little logo, and then this one also has the design on the back. If you guys want to check the website and cop a merch and support the channel, definitely check out the link in the description of the video. Thank you guys that have been watching the videos for some years now. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and copying merch. I really appreciate it. Also got a surprise for you guys in the upcoming videos, so definitely subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for what's about to come. So I hope you guys enjoy this video with the new setup. It sounds crazy, and smash the like button on this video. It definitely helps the channel a lot. So let's jump right into the video. All right, so we're gonna do a cold start with the Dream Automotive R-Lag Catless downpipe and the Remus front pipe and the valved catback exhaust system. So this is 50% closed. So now it is 20% closed. And now this is 100% closed. It's pretty quiet. Alright guys, so we want to get you that quality video, so I'm gonna have him back up. Sounds like a beast now. That turbo whistle. Alright, so you want to go ahead and do like a little flyby with it closed to see how it sounds and everything. With the exhaust closed, you could probably hear the intake from the K&N filter that I have on this car a little bit better when it's all closed. So he's gonna go ahead and do like a little pull and flyby. And he's in sport mode right now too. So that Catless smell though, that's the only thing. That Catless smell is real. But he's gonna go ahead and open it. I know you guys probably just want to hear completely closed, and then y'all probably just want to hear fully open. This guy, he enjoying the car, man. I might lose my car today. Yeah, yep. Crazy. And this is completely stock, the Honda factory tune. I haven't unlocked or jailbreaking or put a tune on this yet, so that's amazing. So he's gonna do fully open now. She's screaming out. Woo, she sounds like a beast. Yo, this thing scream out. Oh my gosh. This thing turns into a whole different monster. This thing sounds like a beast now. It's like awakens up. You guys just heard it was completely stock. Now this thing sounds like a whole different race car. It sounds like a race car now. And it sounds good. It doesn't sound like raspy, canny. It sounds good. Damn. This thing sounds good.
Especially for far away, that does sound like a race car.
I'm gonna try to get him do some normal driving, so it's not fully always full send. Damn, y'all can hear the echoes, everything. This is insane. I'm gonna get him to try to do some normal driving for you guys, because he is having a ball right now. He probably like this thing pulling. I might lose my car today. We just normal driving, fully open. Oh, you can hear the rev matches too. Man, she screams. Oh man, this car, man, I think I underestimated this car a lot. This thing is like a beast. This thing's a beast. I feel like I definitely underestimated this car a lot. After that Catless, the Catless downpipe opened the car up and turned it into a beast now. The sound overall. There we go. So I'm finishing editing the video right now, and I gotta say, oh my gosh, this car is insane. This car is insane, and it screams. And I gotta say this too as well. The mic that I have is picking up the exhaust sound really good, especially when the exhaust was closed, because in person you really do not hear the car at all. When the car was moving with the valves closed, you barely heard the car at all. So the mic is picking up the car very good. I underestimated this car. I am shocked that the sound of this car, the turbo whistle, this car with the setup, yo, I have never heard a Type R sound like this with this setup. It's mind-blowing. And I can't even like compare this car to like a GTR. Like a GTR has a whole different unique sound. Of course, the GTR has two turbos, and it also has that turbo whistle. So with that turbo whistle, you have two like turbos with the whistling, and it sounds, and it has that perfect melody for the GTR. But this single turbo for the Type R with the turbo whistle, it sounds really, really good. And honestly, I would say, guys, the Type R has a unique sound than any other Honda engine. It has a unique sound for sure. This car definitely sounds amazing with the setup. Oh my gosh. And it screams. It screams. I'm so glad. Yo, Remus, I can't even talk right now. Remus killed it with this exhaust setup with the valves. So if you guys don't know, Remus, the company, has when they build the exhaust, they have like a phone booth, the one that you can amplify sound and stuff, they have one where they use to basically create the exhaust, and you can see like the car in the phone booth, a big square, and that's how they create this the exhaust to get that perfect tone and melody out of the car. So a lot of engineering goes behind the exhaust with Remus, and of course it being valved as well. So a lot of engineering goes into it, and I gotta say, definitely Remus killed it with this exhaust, with the valves. It sounds amazing. Even I would definitely say with the Dream Automotive Catless downpipe with the hard lag heat shield around it. I don't know what type of metal that Dream Automotive used, but it sounds really good as well together. It sounds insane, guys. So Catless, I would definitely say Catless exhaust, it screams. I've even heard a Remus exhaust with a catted exhaust, and it still screams a little bit. It's loud, but it is very tamed in a way. It doesn't really have much. It has that peak scream, but it's very tamed up top. It still echoes everything, but it's very tame. I don't know how to compare. Catless is like untamed, the catted is like tamed, but the car sounds amazing. I am blown away with the sound of this car. It blew my expectations of how this car is going to sound after experiencing it in person. This car has a crazy like raw screaming sound to it. The turbo whistle from the Remus exhaust, it sounds amazing. A lot of people have been trying to compare it to other cars, but I've never heard a car or Honda like this before. So this thing sounds insane. So kudos to Remus. If you guys want a Remus valve catback system with the front pipe and their valve catback exhaust system, hit me up on Instagram if you're interested in getting a Remus exhaust, and also check out the email in the description and email me if you're interested in the Remus exhaust, and I will send you guys Remus information so you guys can cop and Remus valve catback exhaust system for your Type R as well. Big shout out to Remus. I'm glad I was able to share that product with you guys. It's a quality, top-notch product. It's amazing. The sound is amazing. Also, guys, I'm gonna talk about this in future videos, but I'll also say the no drone thing. So with the stock downpipe, as you guys heard in the previous video when I was doing the Fly-Bys with the stock downpipe, there was no drone in the car. I was talking in the video completely fine. The Type R has awesome insulation from the factory, because you can have the car completely off. Somebody could be outside the car talking and you can barely hear whatever they're saying outside of the car. The insulation on the Type R is amazing. So that is number one. I don't know how to explain it. When you're driving with the Remus exhaust, even with the valves fully open, the exhaust sounds, it's like 3 to 4 feet outside of the car. Of course you can hear the tone of the car, but it feels like it's way back further out. I don't know how to explain it. Even with Catless, it sounds like there's no like burn the whole way. There's like, if it sounds like the exhaust is way back there, with the stock downpipe gone and the cat gone, you can actually, and you guys probably heard in the video when the car was slowing down, you can hear when you're giving it gas, you can hear the spoolie noise coming out of the car when you're like cruising and stuff. You can be cruising, giving the car gas, you can hear the out the back of the exhaust. It sounds insane. Now I see why for years now a lot of people wanted to bring the Honda Civic Type R to the USA. This car is one special, unique car. But at the end of the video, guys, I said that I'm gonna give you guys value and share my experience with you guys. And I will say this: when you go out there and try new things, you get to experience things that you never would expect. If you guys want to support the channel, I love making these videos, as you guys can see. I wish I could, of course, all of this stuff costs money. And of course, as you guys see, I like to get quality stuff that's gonna last long, that's gonna be top notch, and I like sharing the process with you guys. Of course, it costs money, but if you guys want to support the channel, definitely go and cop some merch. It'll definitely help the channel out a lot, and I can also give back to you guys as well. Definitely smash the like button. It will help the channel a lot. Subscribe, because I have a lot of mods and new content on the way for the Honda Civic Type R. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while with the 8 Gen SI and everything that I did to that car, and it's crazy, it looks crazy, you do not want to miss out what I have planned for the Type R. So definitely, guys, stick around, hit the notification bell to be notified on when new videos drop. But that's it, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.